We at India had started this mission the day before of becoming the voice for lakhs of students across India who began the protest against the Apex Court's order of holding the NEET and JEE exams as scheduled in the month of September. The students demand a postponement owing to the dangers of COVID and also floods in many parts of India with no transport or lodging facilities for lakhs and lakhs of students. So far, there has been no cognizance taken by the HRD minister or any other higher official in the ministry. As we have been saying since yesterday, at 10 a.m. today, lakhs of students from across India came together to lodge a protest, calling it the National Protest Day. We at India Ahead have been speaking to students since this morning and are overwhelmed by the messages on social media platforms. So let's begin. Let's take this forward even today and take the first caller. I have several callers lined up who are waiting to speak with India Ahead. Suyog Kore, who's from Solapur in Maharashtra, Kshitij Mayank, who's from Patna, Bihar, Harsh Singh, who's a NEET student, and Mohammad Faizuddin, who's from Narayanpet district in Telangana. Mohammad Faizuddin, my question to you is that there's been a national protest, a peaceful protest. Did you participate in it by any chance? Have your friends or, fellow students participated in the National Protest Day?
Ma'am, I am already seeing from online only, madam. Here our area is remote area, ma'am. Here no protest was going on, but I am trying.
Right.
I'm trying my best on the online, ma'am. I'm supporting everything on the online, sir, ma'am. Petition we also filed, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Yes. Faizuddin, what is your demand? Like, it's now been 3 days and there has been no response from the HRD minister, and there is maybe the officials are in a huddle. But what is your demand on day 3 as well? What are you wanting?
Ma'am, I want postponement of NEET exam, ma'am, because we are from remote area, ma'am. Our centers are nearly 200 kilometers from our village, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, okay.
200 kilometers.
This is something which we have been highlighting, how this, that the distance, and particularly at a time of COVID with no vehicles around, and also in some areas it's heavily flooded. Let me go to Suyog Kore, who's from Solapur in Maharashtra. Suyog, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your demand on day 3, Suyog? Are you concerned that there has been no response from the government? Does that bother you?
Of mails and lakhs of SMS and lakhs of tweets were sent to government, and there is no single reply from government. How government exam centers are far from our homes, and far from our homes.
Go on.
Life is more important. Ma'am, can I comfortably?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Life is. किसी भी भाषा में बोलिए. I am comfortable with both Hindi and English. Go on. बोलिए.
लाखों मेल्स मैडम भेजे गए थे, लाखों ट्वीट्स किए गए थे, गवर्नमेंट को हजारों मेल्स भेजे गए थे, पीएमओ को हजारों मेल्स, लाखों मेल्स भेजे गए थे, लेकिन उसका एक भी सिंगल रिप्लाई उसका आया नहीं है, एक भी सिंगल स्टूडेंट का रिप्लाई उसमें आया नहीं है। मैम, स्टूडेंट 2-3 साल से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि अपना 100% दे एग्जाम को, कि हम सिर्फ टेंस माइंड से जाते हैं और वहाँ टेंस माइंड से जाके एग्जाम नहीं लिख पाएंगे, मैं अपना 100% नहीं देख पाएंगे, इसलिए स्टूडेंट चाहते हैं कि जरा कोरोना केसेस कंट्रोल में आए तो हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, उस पर कुछ 100% दे सकते हैं एग्जाम के लिए।